how wide y'all allowed to get into it. So I tried using DeepSeek AI and another YouTube automation tool on, and let's just say things got wilder than a TikTok trend. If you regarding blow up your channel in 2025, you gotta watch this video to the end. About to drop all the gems you need to make it happen. And by the time we redone, you'll have your own YouTube channel stacking some serious cash. If you ready, hit that red like button, comment, let's get this money and let's get it. Now check this out. Most new YouTube channels don't do well because of a lot of reasons, mine included. The common factor I recently had to learn the hard way is investing in the wrong niche. The results have you moving slower than a DMV line. So why don't you tap into niches that have been proven time after time? I get it's good and kind of classy to have your favorite new artist that nobody knows about and just want to keep him or her L to yourself. But for YouTube, it doesn't apply the same. You just have to be a cliche to make money. You have to use the same old boring techniques to actually make that old money. I think you know what I am saying. That old rich money kinda uses old tricks with new ideas. The best part, you don't need any special skills, but just to listen. Let me not waste your time. Follow these simple steps. First up, finding ideas. That is assuming you have already set up a YouTube channel. Cause come on, this is where most people give up. Don't though. You can't just pick a random topic, slap together a video, and expect to go viral. Nah, that's a one-way ticket to loser town. To get the views you want, you gotta focus on the right ideas. This step is crucial, so pay attention. Even a small mistake here can lead to a video that flops harder than a bad Wi-Fi connection. For this, I'm gonna show you the trick I use to find ideas that always go viral. Head to the video description and click the link. You'll see two prompts. These are your golden tickets to generating viral video ideas and scripts. If you need a specific prompt to your project, just hit me up or drop it in the comments. I got you. Now, let's use the first prompt to generate video ideas. Copy it, open DeepSeek. It's free and unlimited, by the way, and paste it in. Enter the number of ideas you want. I usually go for 30, not too greedy, but if you got time and are picky, you can choose close to 100. I recommend starting with exciting things that capture most audiences according to Google, that is love, relationships, or crime stories. These are tried and true and they work. Trust me, I've been there. Got my heart broken twice. Once you hit enter, DeepSeek will spit out a list of ideas. Don't be quick to pick just any rando, browse through and find the juiciest ones. For example, check this out. In a society where marriages are decided by a lottery, a woman wins the chance to marry her dream man. Wild, right? Or this one, a woman discovers her husband has created a clone of her to keep him company while she's away. Or this one, a virus spreads that makes people fall in love with the first person they see. Now that's content. Once you've got your idea, it's time to generate the script. Copy the second prompt, paste it into DeepSeek, and enter your idea number. Boom. Your script is ready. If you need it longer or shorter, just ask. It's that easy. It's funny how A will take over everything and rule us, but right now, they follow every command. Better take the advantage before it's too late. Now, if you're enjoying this, hit that likey button, probably share the video and subscribe if you have eaten. If not, eat first and stay hydrated, then subscribe. It takes 10 seconds. Or would you rather go hungry and have dry crusted lips? Just a brother trying to help out. Next up, generating the video. This is where it gets fun, for me at least. We're using a tool called Clippie AI, as linked in the description. Sign up, pick the text stories niche, and choose a template. I'm going with the dark WhatsApp template. It's clean and engaging. Add your character's name. Mine is Alex. Don't forget to add an emoji to spice things up. Upload a profile pic. Let me choose from one of image avatars and adjust the settings. Pro tip, you use the watermark feature to protect your content and also stand out by being unique. I only use any fun you find interesting and make it transparent. Once your settings are good, paste your script into Clippie AI. You can copy and just paste it directly or use it to generate a story for you. And since we already have our story from earlier through DeepSeek, let's just copy and paste it. Click this button. Now let's preview it. Click on next. Now then, we need to pick voices for your characters. I'm using this for the guy and a smooth female voice for the girl. If you click here, you can choose to adjust them not to sound like everybody else. You can also try other voice generating options. I personally prefer 11 Labs. It is free and also has the paid subscription, which is better if you want to stand out. And as a precaution, to avoid any copyright infringement in the future, generate the voiceover, choose your background video. Any of these can do, or upload your own and add some background music. Don't just pick any random track. Find something that matches the vibe of your story. Remember, the goal is to blow up. Finally, hit render, download your video, and boom, you're ready to upload. The result? Fire. If you've got questions or need help with prompts, leave a comment or just hit me up. I'm here to help you win. Now, go click that link and let's get this bread.